saying, I hope you're ready to work out with me again. Today we're gonna use a little prop. Don't worry, everybody has it in their home. Let's see what it is. A chair. Full body chair workout. 5-minute workout, 5 exercises. Let's do it. So let's start with the first exercise, the side kick. So you're gonna take your chair in front of you, straight back, belly is tight, and you're gonna support yourself with the chair. So you're gonna point your toes, so now you have a little balance because of the chair. And all you do is gonna kick to the side as high as possible, and the leg is engaged, yes? We're gonna go for 30 seconds. Let's go. Kick. Yes. Kick. And breathe. Whew. Nice. Like a ballerina. Good. And kick. Kick. Yes. Don't let the leg go loose. Just keep it tight. Good. And engage the whole time. Abs also, because you're going to train your abs as well here. Yes. Tap. And kick. Great. Up. And smile. You're having fun, right? Working out is fun. Makes you feel good. And one last one. Keep going. Yes. Good. Switch sides. Straight back. Belly tight. Point your toes. And we go right away. Let's go. 30 seconds. Kick. Kick. Yes, you're doing great. I'm proud of you. Let's go. Woo! We are here together. I'm doing it with you. Don't leave me alone. Yes. Kick. Good. Hop. And lift. Nice. Hop. To the side. Don't give up. Stay with me. Kick. Yes. Pop. And kick. Good. Woo! And breathe. Yes. Tap. Tap. Nice. You're almost there. Stay with me. Leg is engaged. Remember, one last one. And relax. Shake it loose. Good. Gonna right into the next exercise. Gonna train those abs. Yes. Gonna sit on your chair. We're gonna do the leg drops. So you're gonna support yourself. Yes. Good and strong. And then you're gonna lift your legs. Good. You sit on the edge of the chair. And all you're gonna do is gonna drop your legs. Right and left. Yes. And remember, your abs are working here. Down. Down. 1 minute. Yes. Let's go. Tap. Tap. This is a good one. Feel those abs working. Yes. I love training my abs. Don't know why. I just love the burn. Good. Up. And right. And left. Good. You ready for the summer? Stay with me. Yes. Hop. Right. And left. Keep the abs engaged. Yes. Hop. Can't do any different, right? They engage themselves when you sit like this. Good. And left. Hop. Hop. Maybe a little further. Yes. Tap. Tap. And higher. Good. Pop. Pop. And don't forget to breathe. You know you have to breathe. Good. Stay with me and smile. Yes. Show me the smile. Good. You're still happy, right? Good. Let's go. Don't think about the burn. Just think about the happiness. Good. Positive vibes. Let's go. Tick. Tick. You're almost there. Just stay with me. Yes. Maybe 2 more. Ah, yes. And let go. Shake it loose. Your third exercise, we're going to do the over chair kicks. Yeah. Gonna ask you to balance for yourself and focus. Don't kick the chair. I'm going to show you first. So you're going to stay straight, belly is tight, point your toes, and you're going to go with your leg. You're going to go over the chair and over. Yeah? Abs engaged, leg is engaged. Let's go. 30 seconds, right leg. Let's go. And focus. Yes. And kick. Good. Kick. Nice. Stay focused. Good. And breathe. Woo. Good. See? I'm focused too. When I focus, I'm getting a little quiet. Yes. And kick. Nice. Just stay with me. Nice. Everything's engaged. Back is nice and straight. Keep the position. Yes. The more you engage, the more you work. One last one. Maybe one more. Yes. Doing great. Shake it loose. Other side right away. Find your position first. Find your balance. Point your toes. And let's go. Kick. Yes. And kick. Kick. Remember those abs are engaged. Good. And kick. Yes. Woo! We love working out. Let's do it. It's only a few minutes of your time. And such a great feeling. It's priceless. Good. Keep going. Hop. And be proud of yourself after you've done it. Good. Stay with me. Keep the leg engaged. Abs engaged. You're almost there. One last one. Stay with me. Yes. Woo! Shake it loose. What about the arms? Need to be tight too, right? The tricep dip. We're gonna go 20 seconds with 10-second break, and then we're gonna go another 20 seconds, yes? So, sit on your chair, on the edge, and then go to the forward, walk yourself, yes? Hands behind you. We're gonna grab the chair on the edge, and remember as you're gonna go down, your elbows go to the back, so not to the side, yes? So we're gonna dip for 20 seconds. So, get ready, and go. Dip. And straight those arms, good. Whew. Down, yes. Oh, you feel those triceps, right? Good. And deep. Nice. Are you with me? You feel it? Yes, that's good. That's what you need. You're almost there. I know it's burning. One more. And move yourself back for a little break. Oh, take another break here. Shake it loose. Woo! You liking it? You feel those arms? Feel everything? Good. Almost ready? Let's go. One more set. So, walk yourself forward. Hands behind your position. Let's go. Another 20 seconds. Then you're done. Let's go. Woo! Yes. Good. And breathe, right? Good. If you don't breathe, you don't live. Literally. Yes, let's go. Woo! We're almost there. Stay with me. Yes. And push. And push. One last one. Yes. Woo! Feel the burn. Shake it loose. You feel it? I feel it. I feel those arms. Good. Last exercise, the knee tuck. Okay. We're gonna do the plank on the chair. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes. So grab the chair. Nice, nice high plank. Hands on the chair. Hold it good. Abs are tight, and you're gonna tuck your knees in. Hop. One for one. Yes. Tuck. Abs are engaged, and we're gonna keep going like this for 1 minute. Let's go. Hop. Hop. Good. Yes. Tuck. Tuck. Hop. Hop. Keep the hips low. Yes. Tuck. Tuck. Hop. And can we climb? Yes. Good. Hop. And breathe. Pop. Pop. Don't stop. Stay with me. Yes. Hop. Hop. And climb. Good. Right. And left. Woo! And breathe. Yes. Hop. Hop. Good. Right. Left. Right. Left. And breathe. Yes. Woo! Feel those shoulders. Good. And abs. Everything is working. You're almost there. Stay with me. Hop. Hop. And tuck. And tuck. Yes. Stay strong. Stay with me and breathe. Yes. Woo! Nice. Hop. Listen to the music. Good. We're almost there. Hop. 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 Stay with me. Ah. And breathe. One last one. Yes. Shake it loose. You've done great. I hope you like your chair workout. Don't forget to check my other workouts. You can combine them all together. If you liked it, put the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't. And I see you next time.